Focus. Hi guys. So rat bite has happened. Okay. So button is gone. We have one simple solution. I will tell you how to rectify that. Just follow me. Take if any unused TV remote. Okay. And you can see this. And cut this small portion. Just because it's unused. It has some button system. For temporary purpose we can use that. Just cut the shape and try to put it the same shape. Just clean it before you put. Just ensure that you cleaned properly. Okay, and just go this. Just insert it and just put soft press. No need to hard. Just press soft. Just let's see it starts or not. See. Okay. So this is only temporary purpose. If you start, then you can go to the shop and you can make some permanent solution. Thank you. Bye.